Oracle Apex 23.2 has been released. So, in this section and onward videos, we will learn Oracle Apex 23.2 new features. So, the first component or page item we will learn in this video is Combo Box. So, let's start. Log into your Oracle Apex application and then click on Create Page. So, then click on Form and then select your page name. So name of this page is combo box, and then you have to select the table on which you want to create the form, and the page name is company. Next, then click on create page. So now primary key is by default hidden. Change its type to text field and then create a combo box on company code. So change its type to combo box and then select list of values. So here I already have a list of values which is departments table, and then you move to settings and switch on multiple values, and then you have to select manual entries item. So create a new page item, and name of this page item is manual entry. Okay, and then select your combo box, settings, and here you have to select the manual entry text field. Run your page. So here you can see this is our combo box. So in this combo box you can select HR, you can select different departments in the combo box. So we are going to change its style, and it is optional above. Run your game. So it is visible now. Select HR, then select options, then select sales department. So in this case, you can select multiple departments using the combo box. Before introducing combo box, to implement such type of functionality, we were using plugins, but in 23.2 we have a combo box page item by default, so we can use this page item for our applications. The basic difference between the combo box, pop-up LOV, and list of values is in combo box we can create new we can say new entries for the combo box into our lookup tables. For example, I have two page process and research departments, but I want to create the new department, or I want to select a new value which doesn't exist into this departments lookup table. So I can type it here like new department. So here you can see this is our manual entry. So this new entry, we can say new department, will be created into our lookup table. So for this you have to write a new process to insert these values into your lookup tables. So by default this will not be inserted into our departments lookup table. So you have to implement the logic to insert these manual entries into your database. So for example, I click on create. So we can see we have selected four departments. So then we need to provide the company name, and it is combo box test create. So our raw is created. Now move to your database tables and select company table. So we can see the data we inserted right now. So here you can see this is our new entry combo box text, and then we have three IDs which are department IDs for the company code. So here we have multiple options for this combo box. For example, we can select multiple selection. For example, if you select multiple selection, save and run your page again. So in this case, you can see we have checkbox along with the department name. So in this case, you can select multiple departments from this combo box. Similarly, we can define our own separator, and then we can define our search criteria, match type, contains our start with, then case sensitive, maximum values, and after how many characters your search will start. Similarly, you can use the HTML expression to show your different combo box entries. Similarly, you can show multiple columns into your combo box. So to show multiple combo box, you have to move your shared components, and here we have list of values, and this is the list of value we are using for our combo box. So here you have to select columns under additional display columns, select columns, and this is the location column, select, update, save, and here you are visible. So if you want to show department number, location ID, you can select visible, and then if you want to search based on department ID, you can switch on this option show. So here 3 columns are visible, and based on 3 columns we can search the combo box. Apply changes and refresh your application, and here you can see we have the ID, we have the name of the department, and at the last we have the location, like 10 is the department ID, HR is the department, and New York is the location. So in this case, we can show multiple columns. So based on this, we can search based on, for example, 30, enter. So here you can see we have we search based on the department ID. Similarly, we can search based on the location, New York. So here you can see we have New York. If I search based on the department ID, which is 30, so here you can see we are searching based on the department ID. So this is a very cool component introduced in Oracle Apex 23.2. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn one more page item from Oracle Apex 23.2 release. And that page item is image upload. Before this page item, we were using different plugins to upload images and documents. So for images, right now we have page item in Oracle Apex. So to learn how we can use this page item in Oracle Apex, let's start. Log into your Oracle Apex and click on create page. So we are going to create a form. Name of the form is image upload, and this form is based on this table. Click on next, then select the primary key column and click on create page. So our form has been created. Now this primary key is hidden. Change its type to text field, and then page item, change its type to image upload. So that's it. And now we can use this form to upload images. Okay, so run your page. So here you can see we have ID field. So for example, ID is 1, and here we are going to upload the image, and my type of the image is JPG, and file name is picture. Now when I will upload this file will be uploaded and inserted into our database, but I want to see this image into a grid. So for that we have to create one more page. So create new page. This time we are going to create interactive report, and name is show images, and table is similar, same one. So in this table, change its type to query, and query is image, MIME type, file name, and vlog. Rest is the table. So for image, you have to use a method which is get length function. So change it to log dot get length and pass the parameter image, and name is image, or we can say img. Okay, so save this and change image from type text to display image, and here you have to provide the table name, column name which is vlog, primary key is id, and here we have to specify MIME type of the column, and then file name column. Okay, save. One thing is still pending. On the form where we are uploading the images, we have to create a branch so that after uploading we can navigate from upload image form to this report. So for this we have to go to processes, and branch is already there. We just need to change the page, and page this time is image show images, this one. Okay, save. So refresh your page again, and id is 1, image is the same one, MIME type is image pg, file name is picture, create. So here you can see we have a image in the grid. So this image is uploaded into our database using the image upload page item. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture. Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how we can create QR codes and barcodes in Oracle Apex 23.2. In the previous versions of Oracle Apex, we were creating barcodes and QR codes using third-party JavaScript APIs or different plugins. But in 23.2, we have a page item QR code to create the QR codes. So let's start and create a new page. Name of the page is QR codes. Create a new region. Name of the region is region, and then create a page item. So this is basically QR code page item. So change its type to QR code, and then for QR code we have different data types, like we can create a QR code from the URL, phone number, email, SMS, and geolocation. Similarly, we have 4 different sizes. One is default, and the 3 other ones are small, medium, and large. So for the first one, I am creating medium one. Similarly, we can provide the value from the database, or we can provide the default static value. So here I am going to provide the static value, and its value is this. Similarly, duplicate this QR code, and this time name it small. So here we are going to use URL. So copy any URL and paste it in its default value, and then change its size to small. Save, and then rearrange these 2 QR codes. Run your page. So here you can see we have two barcodes. One is small size and the other one is medium size. Now we will see how we can change the colors of these QR codes. So create two page items. First one, and this is foreground color. Change its type to color picker. Then duplicate this one and name it as background color. So rearrange these color pickers. Then create a button, rename it, apply colors, and then create a dynamic action. And then change its type to execute JavaScript code. And in this JavaScript, we will apply the colors. So apex dot items dot name of the item is QR code on which we want to apply the colors, and then foreground color equal to and value of foreground page item, which is our color picker. So we will get the value using V notation, and then here we will provide the name of '12, and name of that page item is foreground color. Okay, this will apply the foreground color of QR. This will apply the foreground color of QR code. Copy paste this page item for the background color. And here we will provide the page item background color. So that's it. Save this. And then we have to provide the affected elements, which is a page item. And the name of the page item is QR code. So run your page again. So here select the foreground color and then select the background color and then click on apply colors. So here you can see its color changed. So again change its color, foreground color, and background color is this one. So here it is more visible. So in this way you can change the colors of your QR codes. So this is the declarative way to create the barcodes or QR codes. So we can create the QR codes and barcodes using the API. That one is Apex barcode. So to create the barcodes from API, we will create one more button, this one, and name of this one is create barcodes. We can say QR codes, whatever. So right click on this button, create dynamic action, and this time we are going to execute server side code. So here we will write some server side code to create the QR codes and barcodes. So first of all, I'm going to create the barcode. So first of all, declare first one is PNG and its type is blob. So we can create two types of barcodes, blob and clob. So this one is blob. Then Here we have API apex underscore barcode dot. Here we have a function which is get code, and this one is barcode 128. So PNG, and then we have to provide the parameter value. So for example, this is the barcode value. So in this case, it will create a barcode, and we will save this barcode into a parameter PNG. So after creating this barcode, we will save this barcode into our database. So I have a database table in which I will store this barcode. So insert page, table name is blog test, and its column is image, and its value is that's it. So in this case, it will create a barcode. So there is another option. So in this blog test table, we have two more columns: file name. So file name and then ID. So file name is barcode 128 and ID is 1. So copy paste these two statements, and this time we are going to create another barcode which is EAN8. So this time get EA and it's 8 EN8. So that's it. So in this case, we are creating EAN8 barcode. So change its name to 8 and ID to 2. So in this case, we will create two barcodes. One is 1 to 8 and the other one is EAN8. So that's it. And if you want to create the QR code, there is also a function we can use to create the QR code programmatically using this API dot apex barcode get QR code underscore PNG. Similarly, if you want to get the CLOB, in that case, you have to use another function which will return SVG. So in that case, you will get the SVG barcode. So that's it. So validate your code. So it's good. Run your page. So here, click on create barcodes. So there is 8 digits for execute server side. So for EAN, we can provide only digits less than 8. Run it again and click on create barcodes. So our barcodes created. If we want to see, we can see that into our database table. So here we have a blog test table. So here you can see we have two values for two barcodes. If we want to see in the apex, we have a page here. Show images. So run this page. So here you can see we have two barcodes we created using the API. The first one is barcode 128 and the other one is EN8. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture. Thank you.